my fellow traders. So it looks like we're gonna drop a video unedited with no cuts at all, because unfortunately it seems like my CapCut editor has been messing up on me for like 3 days now, since Friday, which is why, as you guys can see, I have not dropped a Friday vlog at all. But I do want you guys to know that we have been killing it, and on Friday we actually made $166 on the day, and then today we made a nice whopping $83, guys. We made 105 off Nvidia, and then we lost $22 off Google. And I'm gonna show you guys my orders here. As you guys see, this is a live account, it's not a screenshot, and also there's no edits or cuts in this at all. So anybody that trades Thinkorswim knows that the blue on the bottom means it's a live account. If it was yellow, that's paper trading. So this is a live account, and today is the 23rd, Monday, December, and Friday was the 20th, if you remember. So just know that these are my contracts from the 20th, and these are my contracts to today. So we took 3 trades on Friday, one on Nvidia, one on Amazon, and one on SPX. 2 wins, 1 loss. The first win was on Nvidia. We took 113 contracts. As you guys can see here, 113, sold 2 of them at 126, and sold the last one at 172. So amazing gains on that one. I believe that one was 60% gains, or I could be wrong, it might have been 50% gains. But guys, we have been killing it. So on Friday, we made a nice amount of money. And then also on Amazon again, 134, we bought 3 contracts. 2 of them for 134 a piece, and then we bought 1 more at 104. So we've got a nice dip on it, a nice average down. Sold those bad boys at 154, and also one of them at 152, or 2 of them at 152, and the last one at 154. So you guys see, I'm not capping. This is a live account. This is not screenshots. Just want you guys to know that I'm being transparent, and I don't want you guys to think that I have been losing these past couple of days, which is why I've not posted no vlogs. No. I've been killing it, and I've been calling out some fire-ass trades. So, and I'm in the works of merging both my Discords, because I have a free version and I have a premium version, but I'm about to just combine it and make it free overall, guys, honestly, to be very honest. So, next trade. So that was 2 trades on Monday. The last one, which was the one that put me on a loss, you guys see it was SPX, which is the one right here. I took 1 SPX call or put for $10, sold it for $5, so $5 loss. Still $166 on the day. And then again, the next day, which is today, or on Monday, 3 days later, I bought 2 contracts on Nvidia for $220. Look what I sold them at, guys. A nice whopping $258 a piece. Then I did it again. Bought another retest on Nvidia, which I'm gonna do a recap later on, and we're gonna do a recap of this whole thing and show you guys why I entered. But I bought another one for $235, sold it at $264, and then I took another trade on Google, and that was a $22 loss, which put me from, an entry of 186 sold at 164, and that's how I'm only up $83 on the day. Because do the math, 105 on Nvidia today, and then I took a loss of $22 on Google. So that is the trades that I took from Friday to today. I have been killing it, guys. I want you guys to know that I've been killing it. What I've been doing is just trying to do my best to even hold, even on the pullbacks or when it retests 90 EMA. So with all that being said, guys, I hope you guys have been killing it. I hope you guys have been enjoying the vlogs that I've been posting, and happy holidays to you and your family. Shout out to my girlfriend, because she gave me a nice watch. Now, this is the one I've been wanting for a long time, to be honest. It got the nice diver edition, or the nice divers type of watch. Looks like the Rolex, but it's really a Seiko GMT Seiko 5 Sports Edition, and I love it, guys. So hope you guys are killing it. And also, I bought this off of some random street vendor. It's pretty dope. Haven't took it out the plastic, but it's some 3D little Tupac thing. And anyways, guys, I hope you guys have been killing it, man. So we have been straight killing it. Every single time we enter a trade now, we have been gaining. Last week, all of our trades, for the most part, 60%, 50%. So unfortunately, we haven't dropped a vlog on Friday, nor are we going to drop a vlog today. Because like I said, I don't know what's going on with my freaking CapCut editor, but it has been messing up on me.
I'm going to sell. Honestly,
now here it goes.
Crazy,
see what I'm saying? But look at this. Check this out. See, this is live, unedited. But the moment
very good game.
Let's say I cut it right there. Let's say I cut it right here. I'm going to cut it right there. Where I said, hold on.
Very good game.
Hold on.
I'm going to sell. Honestly, market's crazy, so probably should sell both of them. I'm going to get out both of them just in case, collect my gains. Nice $80 trade here off of a single trade.
Boom. So I'm going to cut it right there. I'm going to cut it there, and look at this. It's on pause. I'm gonna hit play. I don't know what's been going on with this thing, and I'm barely at the 1 minute mark, guys. I still have 9 more minutes to go. So unfortunately, what it's looking like is I might not be able to drop this because I'm gonna be here till 8, 9 p.m. waiting for these cuts. Because it seems like every single time I cut, it wants to do this and start pausing for like 30 minutes. So right now, I'm telling you guys, I'm literally hitting play. This is whenever I hit spacebar, it hits play and pause. So look at that, play, pause. The thing is it's not cooperating, guys. So I'm just gonna drop this video as is, no cuts, no edits, just plain simple, straight to the point. And I hope you guys have been enjoying it. Got our lifestyle shirt on from Yeet, got a little signed edition from him, and matching it with the watch. So I appreciate y'all tuning in. We're almost at 700 or 800 subscribers. We're at 797 or 798 right now as we speak. So please share this video. Tell one of your friends to join my Discord. Link is in my website. Link is in the description every single time. And guys, we drop trade ideas. We drop signals in the premium chat, but I'm going to combine it soon. And also, we drop everything as far as recap, stock tips, educational information, and everything you need to know to get started in the trading game. So I hope to see you guys in there, and I hope to see you guys on the next video. I'm sorry about what's been going on lately. Technical difficulties with my CapCut editor. But the moment it starts acting right, I'll get back to dropping major videos. And I just want to be transparent with you guys and let you guys know that, you know, your boy has been killing it. Unfortunately, don't know what's going on with my CapCut. But guys, you guys see the orders. I don't want nobody to say, oh, no, he's capping on. Guys, live account. I'm literally showing you guys all my orders from the 1120. You can take a screenshot one last time or screen record this moment and add up all the contracts and sales, and you guys will see. Profitable. Quit playing with me. Anyways, catch you guys on the next one. Have a great rest of your guys' day. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas to you and your fam. And let's keep trading and running up these numbers, guys. Let's go.